Good morning. I'm going to present the topic barcode technology. Key points: what is barcode? Why use barcode? Barcode types, application of barcode, evaluation of barcode, barcode scanners, advantages, disadvantages. What is barcode? It is an automatic identification technology. Barcode is a predefined format of dark bars and white spaces structured to contain a specific piece of information. It allows real-time data to be collected accurately and rapidly. Combination of barcode technology with computer and application software improves performance, productivity, and profitability. Why use barcode? As far back as 1960s, barcodes were used in industrial work environments. Some of the early implementation of barcode include the ability to identify rails, roads, cars, etc. In early 1970s, common barcodes started appearing on grocery shelves to automate the process of identifying grocery items. UPC barcodes are placed on products. Today, barcodes are just about everywhere and are used for identification in almost all types of business. When barcodes are used in business procedures are automated to increase productivity and reduce human error. Whenever there is a need to accurately identify or track something, barcode should be used. Instead of manually typing a customer identification number into database, if the information is contained in a barcode, a data entry operator may scan it in. Barcode types. The type of barcode to use for a particular situation depends upon the use the data encoded in the barcode, how the barcode will be printed. There are two types of barcodes: linear barcode, 2D barcode. Application of barcode for laboratories. PCA provides labels, printers, and barcode scanners especially for the laboratories environment. Our labels suitable for all printers and almost software packages can stand moisture, refrigeration, and variety of solutions. Application of barcode for laboratories. PCA provides consolidation equipment from a variety of manufacturers and 25 years experience in data collection market. We provide a solution to our situation, not often the shelf package solution. Application of barcode for industry. PCA provides consolidation equipment from a variety of manufacturers and 25 experience in the data collection market. We provide a solution to our situation, not an off-the-shelf package solution. Evaluation of barcode. One of the most common tools for reading barcodes, the handheld barcode scanner. Most of the scanners sold by ID Automation receive power from the PC keyboard or USB port, so external power supply is required. Not all scanners can scan borders that are printed at very small X dimension. The ID Automation Plug and Play barcode scanner will scan linear barcode consistently at 4 to 32 mile size and up to 4.2 in width from distance 4 to 8 at 200 scan per second and can program to scan function key from barcodes. Disadvantages: represent unique identify of a product, accurately of data input, labor saving by avoiding manual system, more accurate dispatch, more efficient, real-time data collection, measurement of work in progress throughout the factory, rapid access to total production cost. Disadvantages: system failure may cause more delays, structural scramble barcodes may cause problems, data must be encoded in the barcode in laser scanning, durability and cost more. Two disadvantages. Thank you.